I want some iced coffee this afternoon, y'all, so I'm gonna try using this instant espresso. We normally use this for our Java chip ice cream, but I've never actually made coffee with it before that I can remember. So I'm gonna see if I can make a little iced latte with it since it's espresso. I wonder if I should use 2 or 1. I'm gonna go with 2. I'm gonna mix these with just a little bit of hot water, then I'll add my cream. I'm not gonna put any milk, I'm just gonna put a little cream. So yeah, let me get some hot water real quick. I've got 10 ounces of hot water in here instead of 12 because I want it to be pretty strong. And I'm thinking I might have put too much water, but we'll see. Let me get some ice. And I'm gonna leave just enough room to put the cream. I'm just using the International Delight Sweet and Creamy. Let's see what we got here. I don't know. It's pretty good. I like it. I think I'll just do 8 ounces of hot water next time though, instead of 10 with the 2 packs, but yeah, that's good. I got this mug from Walmart. It's glass, but it has the little silicone thing on the bottom. I'm getting my apron on because we're gonna go ahead and make supper. We're having chicken salad clubs tonight. I need to get the oven preheating for the bacon because I'm just gonna put it in the oven. It was another rainy one today, y'all. It's not raining at the moment, but it was a lot earlier. I'll go ahead and start that for the bacon. I got this rotisserie chicken from Walmart yesterday, and I just put it in the refrigerator. I sat it out just a little while ago so it wouldn't be so cold when I was shredding it. Let me grab a cutting board real quick. Chicken salad clubs are one of our favorites. They have been for years. Way back, I can't even remember when this movie came out, and I can't remember if it was the exact year this movie came out. Probably not, but it was the first time we'd seen it. The Christmas Card. It's a really old Hallmark movie. Well, on that movie, they had this little diner, and the woman goes in and orders a chicken salad club with curly fries, and then the guy comes in, orders the same thing. But anyway, we made them. So we just did chicken salad, bacon, lettuce, tomato, cheese if you want to, on some kind of bread. Tonight we're using croissants. And I'm gonna make the chicken salad just a little different. I have different recipes for chicken salad. The basic, of course, is just chicken, mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. That's all you gotta have to call it chicken salad. But you can add more stuff like celery, onions, or you can make the fruity chicken salad, which we like. I know a lot of people don't like that, where you put apples, grapes, nuts, and stuff like that in it. That's the kind that we're making tonight. Is everybody okay with the grapes and apples and pecans in the chicken salad?
Yeah.
Okay, they're all okay with it. I was gonna say I'll start with the basic and then take a little bit of that out if anybody doesn't want the fruits, but they all want it. So first we just shred the chicken. Now if I cooked the chicken like on the stovetop or in the oven or whatever, or Instant Pot, y'all know I normally use the KitchenAid to shred it. One of y'all told me about that, I guess about a year or 2 ago now. And now that's pretty much how I shred chicken every time. But since this is kind of cold, we're just gonna chop it smaller. And I'm already having to use my hands to get it, ready anyway. So we'll just do that this time. Y'all, the flies have arrived because we had, like the other day, it was upper 80s, I think. We had a really warm day the other day, and I was happy about it. I got so tired of the cold this year, I told Titus, y'all will never ever hear me complain this summer about it being too hot. I am not gonna complain ever because I was so tired of the cold, so ready for it to be warm. But because it was so warm, flies came from everywhere. Also ants. Ants are a never-ending problem. Do y'all want chips or some of those potato wedges that I make in the oven?
Oh, I really like those potato wedges.
Okay, I'll do potato wedges with it then. So instead of curly fries, we're gonna have potato wedges. So yeah, if you don't like the fruity chicken salad, then after you put in the chicken, salt, pepper, and mayonnaise, you can stop there, or then add whatever else you wanna add, like, onions, celery. I like that kind too, with just the onions and celery. But something about the fruity kind just feels really springy and summery and cool because it'll go in the refrigerator, for a little while. It's refreshing. You can get rotisserie chicken already shredded and ready from Walmart. probably other grocery stores too, but it was like more than double the price of just doing it yourself, so we're doing it ourselves. It was like $10, I think, for the shredded, and the rotisserie chicken itself was $3.98, I think. We'll start with just some salt and pepper. Minced onions, you could use fresh onion too. I'm just loving these minced onions lately. You don't have to chop an onion, and this is gonna be going in the refrigerator for a little while, so they'll have plenty of time to soak up some moisture and fluff up for us a little. Now we'll put the mayonnaise. I don't really ever measure this, I just kind of eyeball it, so that's probably about a quarter cup there. I'll mix that in, see how it looks. We'll add a little more if we need to. Then we're gonna chop up some celery, grapes, apples, and pecans. When you add the fruit like that, you don't need as much of the mayonnaise because those fruits, especially the grapes, as they sit, are gonna add a little moisture to the chicken salad. So I'm gonna put just a little more mayonnaise, about a tablespoon more. And when we get everything mixed together, if I see we need a little more mayonnaise, we'll add that in. Okay, we'll set that over to the side. I'll start with the grapes, and we just like to cut these in half. Now we're doing the celery, and I chop it pretty small. So y'all tell me what you like to put in your chicken salad. Do you like the basic, or do you like the extra? Or do you like somewhere in between? Hey, we also made a spicy chicken salad one time too, and that was really good. Now the apple, and this is one of the sugar beet apples. It's like the perfect amount of tart and sweetness. All right, now we'll mix all this together, and I'll see if I need to add a little more mayonnaise in here. I think we will, just a little more. Oh, this smells so good. Yeah, I think we need at least a tablespoon more, maybe a couple of tablespoons. And we'll just cover this and put it in the refrigerator, and then we'll get the bacon in the oven, and I'll go ahead and slice up the potato wedges, but I won't need to put those in until about 30 or 40 minutes before we're ready to eat. So I will go ahead and get them sliced up though. That way all I have to do is put them in the oven. We'll do a quick taste to see if we need to add anything else. Nope, that's it. It's really good.